Hello friends, welcome back to Education Video Corner. In this video, I am solving one Python problem with solution. So before going to the video, please hit the subscribe button. Our problem is write a function to reverse a list. Write a function to reverse a list. That's our problem. So let's start our program code. So today I am using VS Code Editor. So I create the one of the Python file. Reverse underscore list. Py. If save the Python file, end up the Python file dot py, you mention it. Our problem is write a function. So by using function to reverse a list, this is our problem. So if you take a one list and then reverse it, that's a simple method. Okay, guys. I write just our 3 or 4 lines. So first of all, I create one of the function diff list. Diff reverse list is our function, and then I close the bracket list. Actually, I create the function that's like reverse list, and then I pass the argument that's like list 1. Just in this place, I put the how to reverse the string. I pass it. Just I pass this code. In this place, I create the one list. Create the one list that's like L1. 3, 6, 9. I want to reverse in this list. So this place I have apply one string slicing method that's like print. So okay, guys. List. So this one. So in this place I apply string slicing method L1 colon minus 1. So sorry guys. In this place I put in L1. In this place I forget it. So I have changed it. Print this one. I save it, and then so if you use the pause function, you don't get any error. So that's the reason why we have used the pause statement. It's do any kind of works, any kind of activity. In this place, you can use pause or then and I command it. Okay, you can I run it. That's not working. So I run it. See this our result is. So our list is completely reverse it. This is the method. So in this method, in this method, I apply the inside the our function. Okay, guys. I have copied this line entirely. I remove the pause function and then paste it. I copy the argument name. In this place, I paste it. Return. I want return is list 1. So I have removed the in this line entirely. I have removed it. So just in this place I paste it, and then what I do, I copy the function name and then paste it, and then I close the round bracket. So guys, see this magic. What happened? See this magic. See this 9, 7, 6, 3. So our string is reverse it. I copy this in this space, print. 67. I enter another list. 67. I run this code. Sorry guys. See this? What happened? See this. First one is 9763. Second one is 567, 97, 6. So our list is 7. So I apply one of the string slicing method. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and then share with your friends. I think this video is very helpful for you. So guys, thank you. Bye bye. See you later.